everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today's video is going to be a glam decorate with me. I'm going to show you how I'm going to decorate my entryway in a London in Bloom theme. I hope you enjoy. Now guys, this is my entryway, and for Christmas my husband got me this beautiful arched mirror, which is from Shine Mirrors here in Australia. I absolutely love this mirror, guys. It is so huge. It's taller than me, so I knew it'd go perfect in my entryway. Now to start with, I added two of these beautiful home canvases that I recently picked up from Spotlight. I absolutely love the words of these, guys, and I love how it looks either side of this arch mirror. Now what I did is I placed the arch mirror on top of one of my tufted benches and I gave it some more visual height. I've also added a throw at the bottom from Kmart. Also from Kmart is these beautiful beads. I love beads, guys. I love using them throughout my home, and I've just placed them at the bottom. Now guys, you know I am obsessed with the book London in Bloom. The photos are absolutely breathtaking. So I shopped my own home for the prettiest pink cushions that I had.
I have a thing for darkness, but you can see with your mind. Even when I have my doubts,
I truly adore these cushions. These blush pink ones have that little tufted look about them, and I love that I can do the karate chop. So I placed the two larger ones at either end and the breakfast cushion in the middle. Now I'm going to take my pretty London in Bloom book and I'm going to place it on the bench next to the left-hand side cushion. I'm then going to add to the front of the mirror my most favourite purchase this year, guys. This beautiful London in Bloom canvas was a recent purchase from Amazon, and I'll leave it linked for you down below. The colours and flowers in this beautiful canvas are absolutely stunning. I was so excited when this was delivered to my door, guys. It was truly more breathtaking than what I thought it would be when I was ordering it off Amazon.
we'll never have all the answers, but we won't need them today. I never meant to break a promise.
Now sticking with my London in Bloom theme, remember I did a DIY London in Bloom telephone booth. I'll leave that video linked for you down below if you'd like to see how I made it, but I added that to the left hand side.
Whatever you see in me, I see times 1,000 in you.
At the opposite end, I added this little white stool, and on top I added my DIY London in Bloom truck. Now I'll also leave that linked for you down below if you hadn't seen how I made this. I love making pretty DIYs, guys, and I love to add them throughout my home. I love having a theme, and this particular theme was from the London in Bloom book, and I was really inspired by all the pretty flowers, and I wanted my entryway to have that feeling as well.
And I can only press replay whatever.
I also decided to add to my bench these really pretty blush pink and cream fake flowers, which are from Kmart.
it's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. It's just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
Guys, it's definitely no secret that I absolutely adore blush pink. As soon as I seen the book London in Bloom, I was in blush pink heaven. I really was. I really love anything blush pink, and I'm always drawn to it. Now, when I seen these photos in this book, I was inspired. I've always loved decorating with flowers, and I couldn't wait to put it together. And when I was recently shopping on Amazon and I seen a London in Bloom canvas, I knew that I had to have this for my entryway, and I'm so in love with how it came. Leave me a comment down below if you adore decorating with blush pink. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with blush pink in your entryway. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
You know I'm here to stay.